Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to give a garden progress update. It is looking good. We are getting somewhere. I've got it all busted up, broke up, plowed it, run through it, cultivated it, broke it back down. Got the disc on the back of the WD right now. It had a breakdown. I'll show you that here in a minute. But like I said, got this all busted up, going good, and until the break happened, I'll show you that. But what I decided to do, and I know I should have filmed it, so don't get on me too hard about that, but I was in a big hurry because I really want to get a garden in, and I just got to it and didn't even bother filming it, so don't be mad at me. But next year I will. I'm gonna make a bunch of good videos on that, but I just in a hurry this time. So let me show you what I decided to do this year. Originally, I wanted to do a bunch of stuff I had in my head and build some stuff, make this all container gardens, but I don't have the time. And I got a bunch of Sears Suburbans with all the attachments, so good garden tractors. So that's what this is going to be next year. And after breaking it with the big stuff, next year I can break it with that little stuff and it'll be real easy. So this probably hasn't been broken 50 years. It was pretty tough. I had to break out the big 460 with the 2-bottom plow I had. Went through 3 different ones to get one to work right. I had another one that was adjustable and it was a pain. I hated it. Ended up using this one, which is an old Ford plow. Old Dearborn, but it works. So it's made for a smaller tractor. It's kind of fun getting the wheels sized up right when you're going, but it does work. That old girl did pretty good. So I only spun one time. Yes, even the big one spun plowing that. I got hung up once. But what I decided to do is right here on this row where these old trees was, from here and back, you know, we got a straight line here. I'm going to do this side out here, container garden, and play with stuff out here on this side. And then this is just, I'm going to do a traditional garden. I got way too much equipment to make this so easy. Tillers, and then like I said, all the garden tractors and attachments and all that. So kind of half and half on the garden here, so to speak, just to make it easy. And this will be all the container stuff, and I'll show you. I got a lot of neat ideas I want to do up here cooking, but I didn't have the time this year, so I just decided heck with it. I've got everything and just busted the other side and worked it up and almost done with it. But I'm just going to do a traditional garden over here, and then this side we will do all our little, oh, you know, container garden experiments and different things and stuff I wanted to do. So it'll be fine. But that was kind of an update. Let me show you, get over there, get this back on. I'll show you what actually broke on the Alice. Minor thing, I'm gonna have it fixed pretty quick. So not the way I really want to do it, but the way I kind of got to do it. So hang on. All right, over here by the tractor. OWD, she's a good little tractor, but she had a hiccup on me. It's right here broke. My little adjuster for my 3-point stuff. Snapped her off with the disc. Got it in the bind, turning, and it just went kapowie. So for now, to get me going again, I'm just going to use some of these, oh, I call them something, but they're called something else. Screw pin anchors, shackles. Just going to go through there, screw it through there. It'll actually be like this, but then hang the chain and put another one down here. Real simple. Same length. That way they'll be dead even and easy to go. And we'll get this old girl back up. Really like this tractor. It's a good little tractor. So can't afford to have it sitting down, but I mean, we've got all this busted up with it. The ground's pretty good. I know it looks real rocky, but it's actually not that bad. Small stuff, but that's part of where I live. Rocks. But this actually ain't too bad. So I know this ain't much of a video, but I figured I'd give you guys an update. I was going to do that, but I was in such a time crunch, I just kind of got with it. But promise you next year we'll do that. But I'm excited, you know, garden's going, and it looks really good. It's really big too, so we ought to have plenty of vegetables going. Unless something major blows up, I should be on track to start planting here real quick. So just kind of give you a panorama here. But really nice. Like I said, I am super stoked. And then like I said, where that line's at on the other side of the old orchard, just what this used to be called, but the old fruit trees and stuff is dead. They was dead before I cut them. They was killed. But on the other side, we'll do all that container stuff. And oddly enough, they was almost pretty well dead. I mean, barely hanging on for dear life, and then all of a sudden you cut them and the sprouts grow out. I know, right? It's crazy. But anyway, whoop, about fell down. But stay tuned. We're gonna do a lot of gardening. So we're gonna have a lot of garden videos on this channel. And if you guys got any suggestions on that, leave a comment below. Let me know. You know, what to plant, how you do it, where you're from, what you plant. Be kind of interesting to see. So I guess I'm gonna cut this video off, and I guess that's it. So one last look. Like I said, I was quite proud. This was a lot of work getting all this busted, but it is coming together. So one quick look. So excited. All right, enough of that. But stay tuned. We got a lot of garden videos coming and good produce coming out of this thing. I do believe the soil's pretty good. So. All right, well, like I said, stay tuned for that. So I guess that's it for this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I guess that's it. I'll catch you on the next one. So as always, like and subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Bye.